Here I am at old Richmond Town. Right now it is sun-soaked and nice and bright, but we expect a snowstorm by tomorrow night, I think. And before the hell break loose, let's spend a bit of time outside. So right ahead, the white building, I think, is probably the town hall of the old Richmond town. It looks really nice, huh? There's snow from 3-4 weeks back, but we are going to get at least 6 inches of snow, it seems, this weekend. And next week we can see a mountain of snow around here. And what we have here, this seems to be the tin shop. Let's go take a closer look. Looks like the tinsmith was making all the jars, the jugs, kettles, plates, everything tin. Oh, they have stuff upstairs too. And the thing with the old Richmond town is they are closed most of the week. Oh, okay, they open on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, like a long weekend thing. This too is an old house. They are occupied, so either rented or the staff live there. Ooh, we have some oak. Okay, I don't know if these are oak, but some barrels. So inside of this, I'm guessing, well preserved. Oh, they had some Christmas events here. Yeah, that too is very nice. Right next to, what is it, Richmond Road? One of the Richmond things that we have in Richmond County. Roads, streets, avenues. Oh, this is the printing place. Job printing, nice little hut. They have some new prints. Not sure how new, if they are really old, but it says Monday, April 23rd, 1860. leave Eltingville and then Vanderbilt Landing. Campground for 55th Regiment in New Torp. And the last one, a wanted one. I wanted few more recruits. Okay, that's not bad. Rifleman. Well, this looks new, like printed yesterday, even though the date says 1860. Let's take a peek inside this little place and see. Oh, look at this little outer house, the bathroom, the toilet. It seems it's not the dog house. We can get a closer look after this place. Spinning yarns. Oh, woodwork. Oh, okay, woodworking place. They sure have some logs around here. I think it's sure worth taking a look outside, inside of these buildings. Brooms, cleaning supplies. Okay, let's go and have a look at the toilet slash bathroom slash, I don't know, is it called outer house back then? Yes. Oh, this is the back of the buildings that I recorded earlier. I see this place and I see these buildings few times a month when I drive around here. Lots of snow still on the ground. Drivers are wondering what I am doing walking down that slope with a phone. Yeah, let's go up and see. This cannot be from 1860 because this one has a, oh, looks like people live here. a big air condition. I hope this is not someone's private home. Okay, so this home is, the name is Shorebird House, built in 1910. Okay, it is not old, but okay, let's walk this way. Drivers are curious about my walk on a day like this. So the old Richmond town is quite new. It's definitely not oh, whoops, oh, look at this. Bit muddy today. This is all frozen. Wow. Yeah, this is like I don't know, a little stream or a man-made lake kind of thing. It's completely frozen. So what we see from the road is actually, whoa, I have to get my sneakers washed really well now. I should stay out of mud. I am wearing wrong shoes for this walk. See, the entrances and the stairs, everything is on the other side. Well, the back door is boarded up. Roommaker seems to be a wealthy person, wealthy man. Cleaning, obsessed old Richmond town crowd was giving him a lot of business. Okay, this part seems quite modern because they also have a Christmas wreath out there. And the chimney. the broom guys mentioned, and also a mill, Dunce Mill. Oh, and quite a modern house that I did not notice before. Yes, and there are a couple of homes on the other side also. See, the mills of Staten Island. Okay. They still have some old machinery. This is a prepared, pre-programmed part of the restoration. Okay. So I think these are mostly like 1930s, 40s perhaps. And this is the home of John Dyson's predecessor, or Hoover predecessor. Cafe, I know. I'm very familiar with this cafe because I see it all the time. Let's see, I can cross the road before the cars shows up. There is one. So this is the main street coffee. These days, the new one. This place is always crowded. An old place, but well, they are open. Business are open. Does it from 7 to 10 maybe? Okay, this drawing is from 1800. Not seeing a lick of paint or cleaning anything. Oh, HRT stands for Historic Richmond Town. I forgot. Okay, let's go quickly to the other end. Yeah, so there are private residences along the way. See? This is another part of the start of Richmond Town, old historic Richmond Town. and St. Patrick's Road where I started on the other side. It's a bit, yeah, see, St. Patrick's and Richmond Road. So I covered that side and this side, and that's about it, I think. Lenape people. There you go. And quite a bit of mud I collected. Well, this has to be the St. Patrick's Church, and school is part of it. Well, this is easy to navigate once you get the hang of it. So if anyone wants to have a proper tour, then be here on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yes, the big seat of power. It's a nice view from there.
Yeah, that's it. Like, I'm sweating, bro.
I think that's it for. I don't know. Let's see. Did I? Oh, I probably missed. Yes, I missed the museum side. Because I was going to turn back and walk here, but I continued to walk to the right. Okay, so you could say that's going almost 200 years back. Is it 200? 1948, yeah, 100 and almost 200. Oh, that's a nice little hut. There's no easy way to that side because of the snow, but I can definitely have a look at the one over there. Looks like some construction going on. Nice little cozy place, and I can only imagine how cold this place would have been in the winter. No proper insulation, not insulin. Yeah, they didn't have any insulin either. So only place I cannot, I was not able to. Oh, here is a native encampment at Historic Richmond Town, sponsored by Con Edison, Northfield Bank, and Hyde and Watson Foundation. Oh, they locked it. Looks like they have some sort of tipi in there. Yeah, cannot reach. Yes, this is a very nice view. And I am going to end my walk with this beautiful view.